Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Bits with Aniket. In today's video, we are going to talk about C++, a super useful programming language that helps build everything from video games to operating system. If you're curious about what C++ is and why learning it can be a great idea, stay with us. You will get an overview of C++. So what exactly is C++? C++ is a programming language that helps us give instructions to a computer to perform different tasks. It was created by Bajane Stroustrup in the early 1980s as an improvement to a C language. The main advantage of C++ is that it allows us to organize code efficiently using a concept called Object-Oriented Programming (OOP). It makes it a popular choice for creating software like operating systems, video games, and other high-speed applications that need to run smoothly and quickly. Now, why should you learn C++? Well, here are some solid reasons. First one is high performance and speed. C++ is extremely fast because it allows low-level memory manipulation and optimized code execution, making it ideal for applications that need real-time processing. Second one is game development. If you want to develop high-performance games, C++ is a must. A major game engines like Unreal Engine rely heavily on it. It helps developers to create visually stunning and responsive games. Third one is system programming and software development. C++ powers operating system like Windows, Mac operating system components and softwares like Microsoft Office and Adobe Photoshop. It also widely used for database management systems like NoSQL and MySQL. The fourth one is embedded system and IoT. Many embedded systems such as those in cars, medical devices and smart home gadgets are programmed using C++ because of its efficiency and control over hardware. Competitive programming and algorithms. Many top coders use C++ in coding competitions due to its efficiency and rich standard template library, which provides built-in algorithms and data structures. And last one is strong career opportunities. C++ developers are in high demand in industries like finance for high-frequency trading applications, robotics, AI, and cybersecurity. Knowing C++ can open doors to role in top companies and startups. You might be wondering, is C++ right for you? If you are a beginner looking to build a strong foundation in programming, as C++ helps develop problem solving and logical thinking skills essential for any programming career. If you are a student preparing for coding interviews or competitive programming, since C++ offers powerful tools like standard template library, it's called STL, that make coding efficient. If you are a developer interested in field like game development, system programming, or AI, as C++ is widely used in creating high-performance applications such as video games, operating system, and AI-driven applications. If you are an engineer working on embedded system or robotics, where practice control over hardware and performance are critical, making C++ a preferred language. If you fit into any of those categories, learning C++ is an excellent choice for advancing your career and technical skills. Alright, if you are ready to start learning C++, here is how you can begin. Install a C++ compiler like GCC, GNU Compiler Collection, or MSVC, Microsoft Visual Studio C++. I had made some videos related how to install compiler and how to connect those compiler to Visual Studio. You can see those. Use an IDE like CodeBlocks, Dev-C++ or Visual Studio for easier coding. Learn basic syntax like variables, loops, functions, and data types. Practice with small projects, then move to advanced concepts like object-oriented programming, memory management, and STL. Solve problems on platforms like LeetCode, Codeforces, and HackerRank to sharpen your skills. But just don't solve the problems, understand those first. Read books and take online courses to deepen your understanding. You can use Coursera or Udemy. Those are good platforms for tutorials. You can join the local institutes if you have trust on them. Now question and answer time. I am asking you a question. You can answer them in the comment box. First question is, what is C++ and who created it? Second question, why is C++ considered a high performance programming language? Third question is, list 3 industries where C++ is widely used and explain why. You can search on Google. What are the key steps to start learning C++? And the last question is, how does C++ benefit game development and competitive programming? So that's a quick introduction to C++ and why you should learn it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more programming content. Also let me know in the comment why do you want to learn C++. See you in the next video. Happy coding.